This is figure 5-39 on page 130 of the mechanical drawing textbook. We're going to draw a half lap, scale full size. We're going to draw the top and right side views and then finish the drawing off by projecting lines over and completing the front view. Our dimensions are 3/4 inches deep by 1 3/4 inches high by 3.5 inches wide, and the notch is 3/8 inches by 1 3/4 inches. If you also notice, take a good look at that pictorial drawing, you notice it's actually a misprint, or it's wrong. The pictorial drawing has the top view is actually the front view, and the rear view is actually the top view in the orthographic projection. The rear view of the pictorial is actually the top view in the multi-view drawing. So you have to visualize that pictorial drawing actually coming up or standing up on its front view, the existing front view. Let's get started. I'm going to draw the top view, and we know it's 3/4 inches deep by 3.5 inches wide, so I'm going to type in at 3.5 comma 0.7 negative 0.75. Alright, and I'm going to draw my 1 inch square. I type in at 1 comma negative 1. I'm also going to draw my 45-degree meter line. Well, I'll do that in a second. Let me draw the right side view first. And I know its depth is also 3/4 of an inch, and its height is 1 3/4 inch. So I'm going to type in at 0.75 comma negative 1.75. I'm going to draw my 45-degree meter line, and again you want to make sure it's higher than the top edge of the top view and wider than the far right side edge of the right side view, and that'll do it. And last but not least, while we've got this going, you know the front view is going to be 3.5 inches wide by 1 3/4 inches high, so I'm going to type in at negative 3.5 comma negative 1.75. I don't need my 1 inch square anymore. I'll delete that. I can go ahead and center this, get my centering out of the way. There we go. Now I know that all I have to do is project lines and I'll be done. So let me go ahead first. I'm going to do the line in the middle of the right side view. I'm going to explode that rectangle. I'm going to offset it. I know my notch is 3/8 of an inch deep, so my distance for my offset command is 3/8. And I'm going to click either way. It's going to be halfway, so either you can offset either the left or right line. Now I can project up my line. Don't need those two lines anymore. And the last thing I need is one more notch to complete up here. I have to project a line over. I'm going to explode this rectangle, and I'm going to offset a distance of 1 3/4. This line on the right side. There we go. I'll trim it away, what I don't need. And last but not least, I have to project a line down. I can simply project that down. Your drawing should look similar to this. That's it. That's the drawing. That's its completed form. Half lap, your name, date, scale, your school. Make sure title block's done in all caps. Save it as first initial last name 5-39.